Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Learning Guitar. We have Christopher here with this beautiful song called A Beautiful Life. So this one is from the Netflix movie with the same name there, A Beautiful Life. This one is a piano-based song, so we will do that in a guitarish way. We have one strumming pattern that will work through the entire song here, almost except from the pre-chorus with just downs. So that is pretty easy. And we have easy chords as well. Why? Because we use a capo here. Capo on fourth. With that, we have the best chords possible for the song. So let's start with capo on fourth there. And let's go over the chords. So we have first the G here. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. The next chord will be the D, F chord. That's pretty much a D in the bass there. F sharp in the bass with the D in the bottom. So what I do here, this chord comes always right after the G. So I go from G here to this position. So I just keep the last two there from the G, the third B and third E, and then I just reposition my index and my mid finger like this. So that will be second on E. Then I mute the next string with my index finger, the A, it's muted. Then open D, and then second G. And then of course we keep the third B and third E. So that will be the D, F chord. Next is E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We also use the standard D here. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. And that's the chords. Yes, it is. That's the chords we need for the song. So let's take a look at the strumming pattern here. We grab the G since that is the first chord. So one strumming around will be down, down, up, up, down. Down, down, up, up, down. A couple of rounds of it will sound like this. So let's go over the three different sections here of this song. We'll play in the same way for the verses, same for pre-choruses, and same for the choruses. So the verse play goes with this strumming here. G, 2 strumming rounds. Then the D, F, 2 strumming rounds. Then the E minor 2, and then C 2. That chord progression you play for 2 rounds in all these verses. So 2 strumming rounds per chord, G, D, F, E minor, and C, like this. So that's the verse play. The pre-chorus now, it's D, E minor, and C. You can play with 2 downs on D, 2 downs on E minor, and 4 downs on C. This is just downs here, so the tempo goes down a little bit when it comes to the strumming hand, my right hand in this case. So it will be D, D, E minor, and C4. So 2 rounds of that. So just downs. But you can also play, I believe, in one of these pre-choruses, there is just half amount of time play there. So you'll play D, pause, E minor, pause, and C2. But still for 2 rounds. So you will have to listen there and judge by your own if you want to play 2 times for D, E minor, and C4, or take it down to a half amount of times. That's up to you, but D, E minor, and C, that's what's going on for 2 rounds. And then the final part here, the chorus part, you will play the strumming. So you go back to strumming here. So you're gonna play the same chords to begin with as in the verse play. So G, 2, D, F, 2, E minor, 2, and C2. That's half of this chorus. It's played for 2 rounds, but the second round differs a little bit. It goes like this: G2, then GF2, still the same, but now E minor 1, D1, and C2. And that's the second half of the chorus. So it's very similar to the first half. The only difference here is you're gonna split the E minor, which is played for 2 times in the first half of this chorus. You will split that with E minor 1 and D1, and then you end with the same C2. All right, so that is how you handle the chorus parts, and yeah, 1 round of this will be enough for the chorus. So that pretty much covers Christopher's A Beautiful Life. So thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to this channel, help me out here, and yeah, play tuned.